Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Solana from Uphold to KuCoin in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade on a different exchange or diversify your holdings, this step-by-step process will help you do it quickly and securely. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and KuCoin, and that you have some Solana in your Uphold wallet. It's also a good idea to double-check the current network fees, as crypto transfers can involve small costs. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find the Solana wallet. This is usually under your Assets or Portfolio section. Click on it to view your balance. Step 2. In your Solana wallet on Uphold, look for the Withdraw or Send option. Here, you'll need to enter the destination address. But before that, head over to KuCoin. Step 3. Log into your KuCoin account and go to the Deposit section. Select Solana from the list of cryptocurrencies. KuCoin will generate a unique deposit address for you. Make sure to copy this address carefully, as it's case-sensitive and specific to the Solana network. Step 4. Back on Uphold, paste the KuCoin deposit address into the To field. Double-check that you're selecting the Solana network for the transfer to avoid any errors. Enter the amount of Solana you want to send, and review the transaction details, including any fees. Step 5. Hit the Confirm button to initiate the transfer. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Uphold. Now, it's time to wait. Solana transactions are usually fast, taking just a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once the transfer is complete, log back into KuCoin and check your Solana balance to ensure everything arrived safely. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, reach out to the exchange's support teams. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your Solana from Uphold to KuCoin. Remember, always prioritize security when dealing with crypto. Use two-factor authentication and verify addresses twice. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.